facing an intense weather crisis today as a powerful rainstorm and hailstorm sweep across the city, leaving streets flooded and daily life disrupted. Heavy rainfall in Bengaluru has triggered waterlogging, traffic chaos, and urban flooding in multiple areas. The sudden climate shift has shocked residents, as hailstones and relentless rain turned roads into rivers within hours. Highlighting the growing impact of extreme weather in India. As the Bengaluru rainstorm intensified, drainage systems struggled to cope with the overwhelming water levels. Flooded streets in India's tech hub have caused major traffic jams, stranded vehicles, and delays in public transportation. The hailstorm added another layer of destruction, damaging cars, homes, and infrastructure. Citizens are sharing shocking videos of Bengaluru floods, showing submerged roads and vehicles stuck in deep water. This extreme weather event in Bengaluru, India raises concerns about climate change and urban planning challenges.
क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, वो बारिश देखो भाई।
Experts warn that increasing rainfall intensity and unpredictable storms are becoming more frequent in India. The Bengaluru flooding today is a clear sign of how vulnerable major cities are to sudden natural disasters, especially when infrastructure cannot handle heavy rain and hailstorms. Despite the chaos, emergency teams are working to manage the situation and ensure public safety. Residents are urged to stay indoors and avoid flooded areas. The Bengaluru rain and hailstorm today serves as a powerful reminder of nature's force, as India continues to face extreme weather conditions that demand urgent attention and preparedness. Please share this video with your friends, but please support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Thanks for watching.